I'll never forget when I was editing, and you may have done this with your editing yourself, or you're working with an editor, you'll go, oh God, did I screw up? Or, there's nothing here, or this sucks. And did I even know what I was doing? And I'll never forget who the editor, Sarah Lean, who went on to become the first female director of photography at National Geographic. She's just left the magazine. She said, shut up, Stanmeyer, the cream rises to the top. So if we scroll down, and I created quickly a folder here called Silk Road, Nat Geo, that story took 8 weeks to do. It was thousands of miles of overland travel, and it created 31,278 images. But you want to have in every story some sort of pulling back and breath and space that gives an understanding to the viewer of where they are. I wait until they get bored of me, which is pretty hard because I'm the foreigner in town, and oh my gosh. But I probably spent 3 hours there waiting for these kids to get so bored of me that they went back and did everything that they were naturally doing. And so, I mean, this one kind of works. That one works. They're just goofing around, but trying to have a sense of place, the building, the sun setting. And for whatever reason, I think I marked this one. I think actually some of the other ones are even more interesting.
What would you say would be the minimum number of images that it takes to create a story?
Can be one. Okay. Not to be facetious or silly to your very good question. There is no right or wrong. I can't teach you how to see. There's no magic pill I can give you, or a mystical portal. Actually, there's a mystical portal everywhere if we are willing to open ourselves to it.
You said you do a lot of research in the front end, academic research, things like that. How many of these places that you're going to have you, pre-visualized and thought out, and how many do you just kind of stumble upon?
Nothing I pre-visualized. I sort of gave that up long ago when I learned that expect nothing and be thankful for everything.
Gotcha.
Because when you're expecting, it'll never be that way. It's your slideshow of your imagination.
Gotcha.
And then the images that you miss, give them to the slideshow of your memory, and it's okay. Because only when you don't preconceive and anticipate or expect, only then does the universe and the world around us give to us the unexpected.